Hi, and welcome to Always Dolls. With Valentine's Day around the corner, today we are crafting gourmet chocolates and 2 different Valentine's boxes. For the first box, you'll need red cardstock, fun foam, and a heart template. Glue the template to recycled paperboard. You need 2 large hearts and 1 slightly smaller. Now, glue these onto red cardstock. Then take your smaller heart and cut it from fun foam twice. Assemble the base of the box as shown. Then flip over the lid of the box and glue the smaller fun foam heart to it. Now cut strips of red cardstock and glue them around the raised edge of both the base and the lid. This will create the walls of your box. For the chocolates, I used brown and white air dry clay and selected a small bead for size reference. Roll balls of clay. You can press objects into the clay to make added detail. Or use your fingers to turn the ball into an oblong shape. Now, make a mix of brown paint and gloss Mod Podge for a chocolate sauce we can dip our chocolates in. Using a pin for a handle helps. Swirl the clay ball in the mix, covering all sides, and wipe off any excess from the bottom. You can add tiny chopped pieces of fun foam for nuts. Now the chocolates look like gourmet truffles. Use puffy paint to drizzle lines over the oblong-shaped clay. When dry, dip the clay in your mix. Make a white chocolate sauce mix and cover some of the white clay balls. Add details like a heart or concentric swirl with red puffy paint. Or, for some extra glam, add discs of gold specialty cardstock. For the chocolate wrappers, I am reusing the patty pans from a box of Ferrero Rochers. Cut the edges off. You can glue the paper directly to your chocolate, or you can choose to make a mini patty pan so your chocolate can come in and out later. It's time to fill the chocolate box. I chose to glue some in, and for others, just the patty pan. For a second box design, make a rectangle with the dimensions on screen. Crease the edges first. Then adhere gold metallic scrapbook paper. Cut the tabs and glue them into place. Repeat this for the lid of the chocolate box. But here, we cut a window from the middle of the paperboard and use plastic packaging for a clear effect. I chose to use clear packing tape to keep the edges sealed on both the back and the front of the window. Now, glue in your chocolates. Add a ribbon bow for extra flourish. Now the dolls have some gourmet treats to give on Valentine's Day.